spoiler alert, this is not getting easier and it will not get easier. It's just going to get more difficult. In the 1980s, what you had was a really globalization emphasis. Up until then, America, like I said, was kind of the big dog. We came and went the way we wanted. We had our way. We were the elephant in the room, however you want to describe it. But in the 1980s, you started to get globalization. You started to get foreign companies able to invest in America. You know, the car companies in the 70s, the Hondas, the Toyotas, the Nissans, the companies that started doing well, they started building plants in America. So you might be able to get a job in a factory, but it may be working for a company that was Japanese owned. So you were working for an organizational culture that was not American. It was Asian. And so it was a great company. You liked your boss, but they had a different philosophical orientation to management and leadership. And so that became a further adjustment. To get promoted in a foreign company took a different type of leadership style, and to be successful working for foreign leaders took a different style. And it wasn't just, you know, Japan, it became Korea, it became the Netherlands, it became England, it became Germany, you know, just a lot of globalization. Likewise, American companies had to do more business overseas. So for example, I worked at a company and I had a great job at a great company, but our business was in Latin and Central America. Well, I had people who were working for me who were Venezuelan, who were Chilean, Argentinian, Brazilian, Argentine, not Argentinian, sorry, Mexican, etc. And so I could not just be my typical American self, could not be the ugly American and expect to get the same good kind of results in these other countries. Yet these other countries were producing a tremendous amount of revenue, a tremendous amount of profit. So there was a great opportunity to be successful abroad. But some of these countries were second world countries or third world countries. They weren't they weren't places where things were done like they were done in America. So again, you know, as a leader, you have to be able to deal with the Latin culture, right? It's kind of like a great hitter who can't hit the curveball. He's a great hitter with the fastball, but he can't hit the curveball. So it doesn't take very long for the opposing manager to give this guy a diet of all curveballs, right? So if you couldn't hit the curveball, pretty soon you were off the team because you had a weakness. Well, that happened with Latin America. If you were one of those jingoist Americans who felt that these Hispanic countries were beneath you or inferior to you, well, you didn't have the right attitude to get the productivity out of them. And so again, it was another layer, it was another dimension of management that separated itself from leadership, okay? Well, thanks very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what you heard, please give us a like. If you'd like to see more of these sessions, please subscribe. And if you would like to see the full video, just click on this link right here.